I'm Ros, I'm at Repair Cafe Weymouth, and this is the busiest we've ever been. We've got a lot of people waiting. We'll try and get them all through as quickly as we can. This is the electronics room. That's the snowman. Anyone seen me? This is the mechanical room. That's pat testing now. And this is clocks and more people waiting. And this is sewing. He has very snazzy sequin trousers in earlier. That's about the third teddy bear I've seen today. Tool sharpening. And, don't know what that is. Phil waiting for his next job. This is a reception where you check out and can make a donation. And then I'm going back to our cafe area.
Probably.
Where we've got tea, coffee, homemade cake and babies. Lovely to see you all. And we've got more people.